Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow screencast. It is the first of the month, and that means that it's time once again to show you my MOP income result for the previous month. I've been doing these income report for the last little while now, and I do them for a few reasons. The first one is to show you that yes, I do make money doing this, and the second reason is to provide motivation and inspiration for you so you can see that if I can do it, you should be able to do it too. Now, before I get into the income result, I want to put out a disclaimer out there. My lawyer told me to do that. Basically, what I'm going to show you are my results. Now, my result, I cannot guarantee that this will be your result if you decide to do this business. You may do better, you may do worse, but keep in mind that these are my results, okay? And my result is not indicative of what anyone else can do. I've been in this business for quite a long time. I've been involved for 5 years. I've been a full-time internet marketer for over 10 years now, so I am fairly experienced. So just to keep that in mind. All right, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get right to it. All right, so first thing to do, we're gonna log into the MOP back office here, affiliates.mop.com. We're gonna log in, and then we're gonna go to reports. We are gonna go to save reports. John Chow, these are my reports here, and we're gonna go to last month. So last month is February 1 to February 28th. Hit apply, and here we go. Okay, so last month, February 1 to February 28th, which is a short month. Like normally a month has 30 days or 31 days, so it's a little shorter. So I received $73,316.76 payout, and there was a pending payout of $22,684.05. Add the two together, and that creates a MOP payout for the month of February for $96,000.81. So just slightly under $100,000, but there are a few other items that's not included in this payout and the pending payout that I do get. So one of them is the MOP Motors bonus, my Tesla Model X and the Jaguar that I recently returned to the dealership. MOP pays for those cars. I don't have to pay for it, so I get money. MOP gives me money to pay for the lease of those cars. And also last month, I had a couple other bonuses in place, and I also won $500 in a contest last month. So the total bonuses I received for the month of February came to $7,891.60. When you add that to the $96,081, that brings my total MOP income for $103,892.41. So that is significantly lower than last month, but still not too bad. I consider any month where I make more than $100,000 with MOP a good month, so it is a good month. It's down from the month before, but again, February has only 28 days instead of the usual 30 or 31 days. So still, I am happy with the results. And when you really think about it, who wouldn't be happy with $103,000, right? $103,892.41, almost $104,000. And when you look at it, compare this to a regular bricks and mortars business. So let's talk about costs here. And usually the first question I get is, how much did it cost me to create this almost $104,000 of income last month? And like, what's your ad spend? How much money do you spend on advertising, on Facebook ads, etc., that kind of stuff? And the answer is the same as the previous month. My ad budget to promote MOP is zero. I don't spend anything on advertising. All my traffic is organically generated. So people come visit my vlog. People come visit my blog. Content on social media. So stuff like Facebook, social media, Twitter, my blog, my YouTube channel. They all organic. They all have organic traffic, and I funnel this traffic to MOP, and that's where the money comes from. Now, last month when I showed the income report, when I told you my cost was zero, and one person made a comment that said, "Oh, your cost may be low, but it is not zero. Come on, you got web hosting, you got email list costs, all that. You do have other kind of costs." So he says it's kind of like really misrepresentation when I say zero. And normally he would have a case, except he seemed to forget that sponsorship. And so one of the advantages of being John Chow is that I'm a well-known internet marketer, and as a result, a lot of my stuff is sponsored. In other words, the company actually gave it to me for free. Right? So this $103,892.41 is my net income. And when you look at that, that's one thing you need to keep in mind, because I do know there are a lot of internet marketers who will show you gross sales. Like they don't show you your income, they'll show you gross sales. Like this $103,000 is actually what I could pay out. It's a payout. Right? So the actual gross sale of that is about 1/3. The commissions around on this part is like 1/3. So basically, this is over $300,000 of sales, and out of that I get to keep $104,000. Right? So I suppose if I want to be misrepresent or be a little deceptive, I could say I did over $300,000 last month, which sounds really, really impressive, but that's not what I actually got paid. So this is what I got paid, and then there are other affiliate marketers who show what they got paid, but then they don't show their cost. Like they say, they did $100,000, and I spent $100,000 in advertising to do it, so I really made nothing. No. So I want to be as transparent as I can with you guys. This is what I got paid, and my ad cost is $0, and my cost of operation, the only cost I have for running my business is really my writers who run my blog, who does the content for my blog, and a couple of backup software, but puts everything else is sponsored. Right? So when you look at the ROI of this, it's pretty damn amazing, and this is the reason why I live the .com lifestyle. This is the reason why I'm able to live in a $2 million house and send my daughter to a $30,000 a year private school. I've been in internet marketing for 10 plus years, been with Mo for over about 5 years now. Oh yeah, 5 years, September 2012. And in that time, I made over 4.125, I guess we're up to $4.2 million now. And it's been a pretty incredible, pretty amazing ride. Like in terms of, this has been my most profitable thing I ever done online. I mean, Mo is my biggest online income source. There are a whole bunch of other income sources, but most by far, it's the biggest. $100,000 of net income. Basically, I believe the average Subway franchisee, their net income, that's my February's net income for Mo, is greater than the average Subway's franchisee who owns one store. Is greater than their annual income, their annual net income. I think the average Subway makes about $75,000, $80,000 net for the owner, right? So, and that's a whole year, right? That's always told that if you want to buy a minimum wage job, go buy a Subway. If you want to live the .com lifestyle, do what I do, all right? So how do you do this? Well, if you're interested in finding out, how I do this, like obviously I can't explain it in this short video. But the easiest way to find out is to download my ebook. That's what you should do. You haven't already done so. Download my ebook. It tells you the business model that I use to create all of this stuff. And the second thing you can do is you can go for my 21-step ultimate.com lifestyle coaching program. After you read the ebook, you want some step-by-step, some hand-holding. I give you a whole bunch of videos, 21 videos, plus thousands and thousands of words. And I also give you a one-on-one coach that work with you to help you and guide you and motivate you. And it'll basically teach you how this whole business works. So again, the link to the ebook and the 21 steps is below this video. If you, go check it out, and you can learn all this stuff. So, like I said, it's $100,000. Not going to complain about it. It's a good month. Like, it's not as big as last month. Definitely not my biggest month. And it's kind of funny that I'm kind of like going, 100 grand, whatever. But when you really think about it, that is a lot of money, isn't it? It really is. But hope this motivates you. I hope you get inspiration from it, and I hope you take advantage of my offer and go through the 21 step. Any question, leave it below. I will answer it. And that's it for now. John Chow from JohnChow.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode.